In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Alibaba account. Whether you're making room for different business ventures or simplifying your online presence, I'll guide you through each step to ensure the process is smooth and clear. First, you'll need to log into your Alibaba account. You'll want to do this using Google Chrome on your desktop or through the Alibaba app on your mobile device, whichever you find most convenient. Ensure that your internet connection is stable, as you'll need a seamless connection for the steps to follow. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner if you're on a desktop. In the app, it might be under a menu or tab that provides more account information. This section is crucial as it contains all the necessary options for managing and customizing your account settings. After reaching the account settings, you'll need to look for the option that allows you to either close account or delete account. It might take a little scrolling or scanning through some sub-menus, but don't worry, take a moment to explore to find this setting. This option is usually found towards the bottom of the settings list, as companies don't want users deleting their accounts accidentally. Once you locate the close account or delete account option, you'll be prompted to follow a series of instructions provided by Alibaba. These instructions are in place to protect your account and to ensure that account deletion is genuinely what you wish to proceed with. Make sure to read through each instruction carefully. During these instructions, Alibaba may require some form of verification. This could be in the form of a password entry, a security question, or even a one-time verification code sent to your email or mobile device linked with the account. This step confirms your identity and that you are indeed the owner of the account you're trying to delete. Finally, after providing all required verifications and completing the other steps, you will need to confirm your desire to delete your account. This confirmation might appear as a button or a box at the end of the instructions asking you to click or tap to finalize your request. Be sure before clicking that you want to proceed, because after this confirmation, the account will be set for deletion and you might not be able to retrieve it easily. And there you have it. You've now successfully submitted a deletion request for your Alibaba account. Remember, this process may take some time to complete, and your account might remain active for a short period until all internal procedures are finalized. Patience is key here. By following these steps, you've taken efficient control over your online profiles. If you found this helpful, consider sharing with anyone who might be looking to do the same. Thank you for watching.